Here's the only way to use WhatsApp on desktop without QR code or a smartphone. As you already know, when trying to log into WhatsApp on PC, even if you choose login using a phone number, it asks you to enter a code that you can only get from your smartphone. So what you need to do is install an Android emulator. Open your browser and search Android emulator. Now, I've already tried 2 different emulators and both of them weren't able to run WhatsApp without issues. So what I recommend you to install from all the results is BlueStacks. So just click on the link from bluestacks.com, click on download, and it will download the installer. Now open the installer from your downloads, and you can close off the browser now. Now there will be a pop-up saying virtualization disabled, but you don't need to go through the hassle and turn it on. Just click download BlueStacks 32-bit. You should not choose proceed anyway. Now you can click on install now and agree. It will start downloading all the necessary components, then go through extracting and installation. It may get stuck in 99%, but just be patient and let it finish by itself. After it has finished installing, the BlueStacks applet will launch, and you'll have to wait a few more seconds until it initializes. You'll get another performance warning saying that you're only using 1 CPU, but that's all we need. So just close it out, and now what we're gonna do is install WhatsApp. Click on the System Apps folder and tap Play Store. Now, just like other Android devices, you'll need to log in with your Google account. And don't worry, cause it goes straight to Google's servers. So just log in with your Gmail and password and accept to open Play Store on your Windows. Now we're gonna go ahead and search for WhatsApp, install it, and hit open. If you get a pop-up saying update recommended, just skip this and continue with WhatsApp. Voila, here's your WhatsApp welcome screen. Now just press agree and continue, enter your phone number, then verify your phone number, go through all the prompts, and boom, you just logged into WhatsApp on your PC. But I don't want you to go through the hassle and use the Android emulator each time you use WhatsApp. Now I'm gonna show you how to log in to the WhatsApp PC application or WhatsApp web. Now I'm gonna go to the WhatsApp web, make sure stay logged in is checked, choose login with phone number, enter the same phone number that I'm using on BlueStacks, and it will ask you for a code, which we got right in our emulator, so you won't have to check your phone for messages. So what you need to do, click on the notification, confirm, swipe down from the center of the screen, and enter the 8-digit code that you see on the browser. And boom, you just logged into WhatsApp web without needing to touch a smartphone ever. So you can now close out the emulator and start enjoying WhatsApp on your PC. Hope you enjoyed, stay tuned, and have fun.